Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to update Notion AI app. To update Notion AI app, first you have to go to your Play Store if you are using Android, and if you are using iOS device, you have to go to your App Store first. Here, I'm using Android device, so I'll tap Open Play Store. On the bottom right, you will see search icon, tap on it. In the search bar, type in Notion AI app. Once you do this, tap on Notion, Notes, Tasks and AI. If you have update to this application, you will see update option right next to uninstall. As this app is already updated, it does not have update option right here. If you have, you can just tap on update to update this application. Using the latest version of this application brings bug fixes, new features, UI improvements, performance enhancements, and security updates, all aimed at improving users' overall experience, ensuring that the app runs smoothly and efficiently. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.